Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have 5 to the power of n is equals to 5 times of n plus 15, and we will solve this problem for the values of n. So in this problem I will discuss the best trick in which you can solve this type of function, in which you involve an exponential function and a linear function, so that now in this question I will introduce a Lambert W function, and I hope so you will you cannot know about this Lambert W function. So first I can explain this function, and after that I will apply this function to the solution of this problem. So the Lambert W function is in the form of w of n to the power of e to the power of n is equals to n. If you have a function in which e to the power of n and this exponent will be multiplied by this function, so we can equate this whole function is equals to n. So this is the Lambert W function, and now we convert our question statement in this form, and after that we will apply this Lambert W function. So the very first thing we are going to do is, here first I can rewrite the given equation as, here you have 5 to the power of n, and we will take common 5 in the right hand side, and you will get here 5 times of n plus 3. And now we will divide both of the sides by 5, so that you will get the output in this form. So here you see that these 5 are cancelled by each other, and this will be written in the form of 5 to the power of n minus 1 is equals to n plus 3. And now in the next step I can divide both of the sides by 5 to the power of n minus 1. So when we divide both sides by 5 to the power of n minus 1, you will return the question in this form. So here you see that these two terms are cancelled by each other, and we will get the next terms in the form of 1 is equals to, here we can move this 5 to the power of minus n minus 1 in the upside, so it will be written as 5 to the power of minus n plus 1 into, here you have n plus 3. And after this step we can multiply both of the sides by minus 1. So when we multiply both sides by minus 1, you will get here minus 1 is equals to 5 to the power of minus n plus 1 into minus n minus 3. So in the next step I can multiply both of the sides by 5 to the power of minus 4. So we will get here 5 to the power of minus 4, and you can obtain minus 5 to the power of minus 4 is equals to 5 to the power of minus n minus 3, because here we need to make this function in its exponent, so that we will do these steps. So now we can get 5 to the power of minus n minus 3 into minus n minus 3. And in the next step I can use here the logarithmic property. So you know that this logarithmic property, if we have e to the power of log a is equals to a, because you see that this e and log and anti-log are cancelled by each other, and we write it as is equals to a. So now we can write its right hand side in the logarithmic or exponential form, so that here we have minus times of 5 to the power of minus 4 is equals to e to the power of log into, because this is anti-log and log are cancelled by each other, and we have 5 to the power of minus n minus 3 into minus n minus 3. And now we can apply here the nice properties of logarithm. So according to the properties of logarithm, you see that the exponent of this term will be written in the form of, sorry, here we just move this term only. I cannot do this term in its exponent. I can multiply it here, minus n minus 3, and we will get here minus n minus 3 times of e to the power of, we will move this exponent in the front of this log, and you get minus n minus 3 times of log 5. And here you see that the exponent of e is minus n minus 3 into log 5, and we have its coefficient is minus n minus 3, and we will make this exponent in this coefficient. So here we need to multiply log 5 on both of the sides, so that we will multiply log 5 on both of the sides, and you will get here minus into log 5 multiplied by 5 to the power of minus 4 is equals to log of 5 into minus n minus 3 and e to the power of minus n minus 3 into log 5. So now we will ready to apply the Lambert W function. So we will take this W function on both of the sides, and you get minus into 5 to the power of minus 4 into log 5 is equals to W into log 5 into minus n minus 3 into e to the power of minus n minus 3 into log 5. So according to the Lambert W function, we this function is equals to the exponent of e, and the exponent of e is minus n minus 3 times of log 5. And now in the left hand side we will again make the exponent in the form of e, so that here we will take, or we can write the exponent of 5 as w to the power of minus 5, and we can write this minus 4 as minus 5 into 5 to the power of 1, because when you can add these two you will get here minus 4 into log of 5, and this is equals to minus n minus 3 into log of 5. So in the next step we can just simplify this log 5 as w of, we can rewrite this equation as 5 times of log 5 into, we can just write this expression only this expression as 5 to the power of 5 as minus 5 to the power of 5 as e times of log into minus 5 and its whole power minus 5. So that here I can just do this plus minus sign here, and its right hand side is equals to minus n minus 3 into log of 5. So here you can see that we can apply here the logarithmic property in this exponent, and you will get here e to the power of minus 5 times of log 5, and this whole is equals to minus n minus 3 times of log 5. And now in the next step you will see here in the left hand side we will make the Lambert W function. So according to this function we will write this exponent of e here only. So we write minus 5 times of log 5 is equals to minus n minus 3 times of log 5, and here you see that this log 5 and log 5 are cancelled by each other, and we will get minus 5 is equals to minus n minus 3, and we move minus 3 in the left hand side, and you get minus 5 plus 3 is equals to minus n, and this will be equals to minus n is equals to minus 2, and finally we will get here n is equals to plus 2. And this is the our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.